Okay, on example 2, there's supposed to be a drawing with it, but it wasn't put on here, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. It says, because of 2 prevailing winds, a tree grew so it was leaning 6 degrees from the vertical. At a point 30 meters from the tree, the angle of elevation to the top of the tree is 22.5 degrees. Find the height of the tree. So you've got this tree and it's leaning, and we're going to let it lean to the right. But we know that if I had a vertical line here, it tells me it's leaning 6 degrees from the vertical. All right, and then from a point 30 meters, at a point 30 meters from the tree, so we're going to go to the left 30 meters, the angle of elevation to the top of the tree is 22.5 degrees. Remember, angle of elevation is that angle at the bottom, and it's looking up. And we are after the height of the tree. Remember, it's the tree that's leaning, so it's that leaning side. All right, so to figure out what we need and what we have. All right, I'm after this, and I know the angle across from it. I also know side that has 30, so all I need then is the angle across from it. Well, what can I use to find that angle? Well, if I knew this angle over here, that would help. But let's look at it. I only know the small piece there is 6 degrees, but this is a right angle right there, so that means the entire thing is 96 degrees. So if I know that, then this angle up here that I have circled that I'm going to try to find is just 180 minus the other two added together. And that gives me 61.5 degrees. So if I know that, then I can find side H, because the side that I know with the angle across from it is the side that's 30 over sine of its angle, so 61.5 degrees. And I know that's equal to, we don't know the height, that's what we're after, over sine of the angle across from it, which is 22.5 degrees. So again, let's do our cross multiply, and let's divide.
Teachers, pardon this interruption. Those of you who had the meeting invite in the library this afternoon, we're going to get
Sorry guys, I'm trying to pause it, but
about 7 minutes. If you could please make your way to, that would be team leaders, counselors, Mr. Murray, if you guys could start making your way into.
okay, sorry about that. I paused it, I tried, but I also hit a different button, and so it kind of froze up there and it wouldn't let me pause it. So I apologize for y'all hearing about the meeting and stuff, but it is what it is. All right, so anyway, so we're solving for H, and so we cross multiply the 30 sine of 22.5 degrees, and we're dividing it by that sine of 61.5 degrees. So you put this in your handy dandy little calculator, and you find the height of the tree is 13.064, and make sure you label it. This one is in meters.